friend.
Bro, it is your exhaust in the post in the your marketplace.
The one I upload yesterday. Yes, still fit to bit ber.
How much did you ask for it again?
Alhamdulillah. I press at the 550,000. It include a bolt and yes.
I still in good condition. I look little script in the your photo.
Yeah. Just a small scratch from rubbing. Again, the ball when I wanted it. This will affect the sound I wear.
Hello. Yeah, bro. I heard Aan using is aggressive sound. Just.
But 550 talk kind of step, bro. I'm living budget little too much.
Oh, about 300 cash. Quick deal, cash on delivery.
That at the price and you getting.
300 is too low, man. I bought it for 730,000, not including installation.
But yours used it already. How about 450 and you throw in an L1 for installation.
Alright, final offer 1500, and I'll include the L bench.
Wow, this is some serious beginning. It's like night market.
Then negotiable, bro, but kept reasonable.
Okay, right, deal. 500 and the L branch. But can I try for installasi it first?
Sure, they are having it apart, but don't go too fast of the good night get mad.
Deal, bro. So, paying now or cash?
Okay, bro, up to you, man.
Okay.
Right? Alright, fine. Cash, right? I got the money here, 500 exactly.
Yes.
Take in the money.
Yes, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500.
Egg house?
This egg house ber. Okay.
Okay, right, thank you.
Yes. Okay, I will some thanks, bro.
Finally, now you owe me a treat, bro.
Okay, thanks man for the support me in the buy egg house.
Okay, you are welcome.
See you, bro. And
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.